Welcome to how to make a shortcut on iPhone. So in this video we are going to show you how to make a shortcut on iPhone. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do, you will open up the shortcuts app from here, and for this tutorial what I will do, I will basically open the app. I will basically change the app icon. So when you open up the shortcuts app, you will tap on this plus icon. So we will add action, tap on add action, then search for open app, then tap on this one. Now select app from here which you want to open. So let's suppose I want to open the basically Fiverr. I will tap on Fiverr, and then you can basically change its name and its icon as well. So I will basically tap on this arrow here. I will tap on rename, and I will tap it to Fiverr 2, and then you can basically change its icon as well. So basically tap this one where it says choose icon, and then from here you can basically select any solid color as well, or you can just go here and you can basically search any kind of symbols from here as well. So what I will do, I will select this symbol, and then I will tap on done, and then I will tap on done as well. And then if I go back here, you will see that I should have the Fiverr opened up here. So there is one thing that we need to do. We will open up the shortcuts Fiverr, we will go to edit it, and we will basically place it to the home screen. So add to home screen, and from here we can also basically change we can also basically add the image from the gallery as well. So basically choose files, I will select this image, I will tap on add, and now here you can see we have this. Now we tap on Fiverr and Fiverr will open up. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.